In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, I am your biology teacher, Dr. Afaq Ali. Today, we are going to discuss our next discussion. It is about sport and movement. So, first of all, about the introduction of sport and movement. Like every organism, living organism, they need a sport system to provide them the sport, movement, and protection. So for the human, they have the musculoskeletal system, and this musculoskeletal system, it comprises of two components: skeleton and muscles. A skeleton include two components. First one is the bone and cartilage, and the second one is the joints. The second component is the muscles. So we have three kinds of muscles: smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles. Here some of the questions which are related to these topic. So when we discuss about the difference between bone and cartilage, and I also include these questions in this discussion. Next, I compare bone with the cartilage. So as you know, you already studied the difference in F.SC. Bone, they are the most rigid form of the connective tissues. Like they are the most rigid form. But cartilage is also a rigid form of connective tissues, but it is softer than the uh, bones. So if the examiner asks you a question like which of the following are the connective tissues, so they give you the option like bone, cartilage, muscles, bone and cartilage. So the right answer for this question is bone and cartilage. Next, the collagen fibers, they are hardened by the deposition of calcium and phosphorus in. So they give you other option like the bone, cartilage, muscles, and both bone and cartilage. So the answer of this question is bones. Next we have the structure of bone and cartilage. So the bone consists of two components. The outer shell of bone, it is composed of compact bone, which is dense and strong, and the inner spongy bone, it is light, rich with the blood vessels, and it is highly porous. But in contrast to the bone, the structure of cartilage is flexible, elastic, and non-living matrix, and the collagen surround the chondrocytes, which are the cells of cartilage, but there are no blood vessels in cartilage. Next, we have the types of cells. So, bone have three types of cells: osteoblast, osteocytes, and osteoclasts. Osteoblasts are the bone forming cells, and the osteocytes, they are the bone mature cells, and the osteoclasts, they are the bone dissolving cells. So if the examiner asks you the question which of the following are the bone forming cells, so the answer of this question is osteoblast. If the examiner asks you the question like the which of the following are the bone destroying cells, like the cartilage, it replaced by the bones, so you have osteocytes. The next we have which of the following are the bone mature bone cells. So the mature bone cells are the uh, osteocytes. The bone destroying cells, they are actually the osteoclast, but the bone maturing cells, they are osteocytes. The next question is which of the following are the cells of cartilage? So the answer of this question is chondrocytes, like they are the cells which are present in the cartilage. Next, we have the types of bone and cartilage. So the bones are classified on different basis. Like I classify the bone on the basis of their length. Like we have the long bones and short bones. But we have three types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrocartilage. So the hyaline cartilage, it is the most abundant type of cartilage, and it is found in the movable joints. Next we have the elastic cartilage, and the elastic cartilage, it contains the matrix with a bundle of collagen fibers, and they are found in the external pinnae of ear and epiglottis. And the last we have the third type, which is called the fibrocartilage, and this fibrocartilage is present between the vertebrae, and in the knee they are present. Okay. Next, what are the functions of bone and cartilage? So the function of bone, like it contains the compact bone and the spongy bone. So the compact bone, it provides the site of attachment of muscles, while the spongy bone, it contains the bone marrow where the blood cells are found. But the function of cartilage is to provide surface for the articulation of bones, and it provides the flexible portion of nose and ear. Next, we have the structure of bone. As you can see, the structure of bone, like you can see, uh, bone contains two components. There is a thick portion over here, and this one is called the epiphysis. But the middle one, the shaft of bone, it is called the diaphysis. And here the bone contain the blood vessels, as well as bone marrow is present over here, and this is representing the spongy bone, which is highly porous, and here blood cells are found. And this is representing like the two bones, and these bones are joined together by the cartilage, and this is the hyaline cartilage, which is present between the longer bones. In contrast to the structure of cartilage, we have the perichondrium, which is the outer layer of cartilage, and these are the cells of cartilage which are called chondrocytes. And here the fiber cells, different fibers, they are the elastic fiber. So this is the general introduction about the human skeletal support system. In the next session, we are going to discuss the next component, like muscles. Thank you so much.